Hola and Bonjou, PBMA families. This is Mrs. Solorzano with your weekly update for the week of May 22nd, 2026. It's time to swim into the last week of the 2025-2026 school year. We have a fun and exciting final week ahead, filled with celebrations, important reminders, and end-of-the-year events across our campuses. Get ready for our final elementary campus Spirit Week. Tuesday, May 26th will be Career Day and Future Me Day. Students are invited to dress up as what they want to be when they grow up. On Wednesday, May 27th, will be Field Day, and students will wear their grade level colors. Thursday, May 28th, will be Shark Splash Day. Wear PBMA shark colors, sunglasses, and beachy accessories as we splash into summer. On Friday, May 29th, will be Dress for the Wrong Occasion Day. Dress like you are headed somewhere completely different. Please remember, there will be no backpacks the last week of school. There will be no school this Monday, May 25th, in observance of Memorial Day. We hope our PBMA families enjoy a safe and relaxing long weekend as we honor and remember those who have served our country. Our elementary campus field day is coming up this Wednesday, May 27th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Food truck options will be available for purchase. We ask that students come dressed in their grade level colors, wear sneakers, bring a labeled water bottle, and apply sunscreen before arriving at school. Our next open house for our prospective students and families will take place on Saturday, June 20th. The elementary campus open house will begin at 10 a.m. The secondary campus open house will begin at 11 a.m. We look forward to welcoming future Sharks to our PBMA family. Form days are coming soon. Our secondary campus Form Day will take place on Monday, July 13th from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Our elementary campus Form Day will take place on Tuesday, July 14th from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. During this time, families will be able to sign up for transportation, aftercare, complete student compact and handbook sign-offs, order uniforms, receive school supply list information, and many other important forms and documents for the upcoming school year. Families will also have the opportunity to check and update registration documents to help ensure students are fully prepared for the first day of school. And here are some elementary campus highlights. Our elementary campus Finding Nemo performance was a success. Students did an incredible job bringing the story to life through their acting, singing, dancing, and creativity on stage. A very special thank you to Ms. Robinson, Ms. Pujols, Ms. Hepburn, and Ms. Rivera, along with her art club members, and all of the teachers, staff members, families, and volunteers who helped make this production possible. From costumes and decorations to rehearsals and behind-the-scenes support, it truly took a team effort to create such a memorable experience for our students. Our elementary campus Sharks had a wonderful time celebrating Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month. Students created beautiful flower-inspired art projects while learning about different cultures and artistic traditions. Ms. Rivera also hosted a fun anime and manga contest where students showcased their creativity and artistic talent. Contest winners received special gift cards for their amazing entries. Thank you, Ms. Rivera, for creating such a fun and meaningful experience for our Sharks. PBMA proudly hosted an ESOL parent meeting for families from both our elementary and secondary campuses, and it was a wonderful success. During the presentation, families learned about the summer slide and explored fun and simple ways to help students practice important skills over the summer to prevent learning loss. Families received summer learning tips, local library and community activity information, strategies to support reading, math, language development, and overall student wellness throughout the summer months. We also reviewed how to log into Clever to access learning apps available over the summer. Families also enjoyed a fun raffle featuring Domino's gift cards, inflatable sharks, and a 2005-2006 yearbook as the grand prize. A very special thank you to the amazing staff members who helped support and make this event such a success. And here are some secondary campus highlights. Congratulations to our seniors! You are amazing! Stay tuned for clips of our commencement ceremony. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss an update. Goodbye, adios, and au revoir.